Suing will not take full revenge. My husband told me that he cannot wait to be in the fight ring with you. Paul Okoye, you challenged me. You challenged me and I've accepted your challenge. I am ready to enter the same ring. Fight ring with Yabojo, which my husband and yourself will be the first. Either you are dead or alive, me and Yabojo, we enter the ring the second day. Paul Okoye, this is height evil you can do to a married woman in Igbo land. I know how Igbo value their wives. I never called for you. I never come for you. I never mentioned your name. Your bed warmer, the rotten turkey pussy, the uncultured idiot, the hopeless foolish idiot, the certified failed actress that forcefully bullied people to collect ransom came from my family because of ransom. Paul Okoye, you were alive. You were not dead. You saw that idiot call your bed warmer. You could not tempt her. Instead, you joined her in mocking someone's wife. If I'm going beyond my boundary, please kindly check on me. I'm open to correction. Kindly correct me. I'm open to correction if I have passed my boundary. Paul Okoye, you think you can bully me? Bullied my husband? Bullied my children? Paul Okoye, mentioning Anjorin on your platform, you are a mess already. I can't fault the fact that you mentioned Lizzy Anjorin on your platform. Like I said, if your anus is still a virgin, you will have the balls to call Lizzy Anjorin on your platform. Imagine how poor and how ridiculous your disvirgin anus is. Imagine telling a woman to come for ring lights with petty 10 million naira. You are just a shame and a shameless idiot. You should look after how you shake your nyash before your fellow men, before coming for me. They owe me 10 million naira. Paul Okoye, I won't tell you that you are stupid upstairs. I still want to see your anus test. If your anus passed baby oil test, then I will know what to say. Only Abina, you they bully everyone. Take your case to court. Take your case to court. Paul Okoye, let me continue reading. You said, and I quote, winner takes all 10 million naira. That is how poor you are. That is how low you are. That is how foolish and stupid you are. Imagine you that still live in rented apartments asking a homie to join your bed warmer in ring fight on 10 million naira. You didn't even come with 10 billion. You did not come with. Imagine your bed warmer running to court for 1 billion naira. And you pathetic, petty, this virgin anus Paul Okoye here putting common 10 million naira on table. Why you and your bed warmer wanted the court to order me to pay you 1 billion? Oh, Nisha Amfani no aye. Now, Paul Okoye, you said ambulance and doctor provided. I accept this challenge. And trust me, I will come with 2 coffins. One for you, one for Yabo Ali Sojo. Because none of you is stepping out alive. Remember that all these people doing ring fights, none of them has ever gone for their family. Like the way you, Paul Okoye, came for my family. Like Iyabojo came for my family. These people had normal street fights. But I am coming for revenge, Paul Okoye. And I'm sure my husband is coming for revenge either. If Iyabojo step out alive, call me bastard. My case with Iyabojo is not just mere fight. It is a revenge fight. I told Iyabojo I will not be her first. But trust me, I'm going to be her last. I'm going to send her to where she belongs to. Like I said, Paul Okoye, you offered an ambulance and a doctor. And in addition, I'll bring 2 coffins. One for you, Paul Okoye. One for Yabo Ali Sojo. Challenge accepted? Yes or no? Plus, your anus will be tested. And Iyabojo will be tested for drug before going into the ring. I will come with my doctor, not just a mere doctor. I will come with experts to make sure Iyabojo is not on cocaine, because I wouldn't want to waste my time too much on Iyabojo. Paul Okoye, if not for the fact that your anus has been disvirgined right from the womb, imagine you asking a homie, I mean Lizzy Anjorin, not just Lizzy Anjorin, Doctor, Honorable, Chief Mrs. Lizzy Anjorin, to come and fight Iyabojo that has never done anything in her miserable life. Do you know when I have started working? When it comes to physical, does Iyabojo have the strength? Does Iyabojo have the experience? Can Iyabojo run for 1 kilometer non-stop? I bet it with you. If I join Iyabojo on ring light, I will waste all her energy. I will make sure she run around that ring without taking a punch. And I will make sure I target every corner, every point of where she had a surgery. Let Iyabojo open her tummy. If her abdomen is still existing, I will target her place. I know she has done a lot of facelifting. Okoye, trust me, I will bring everything back to the grave through the coffin that I'm going to provide for the fight. Trust me. You are just a fool saying enter ring. Pick a date. Stop saying pick. Just stop saying pick a. Stop saying enter ring. No normal. Iyabojo no go step out alive. It is not by mouth. It is by experience and strength. I'm sure you don't know who Mr. Lawal is. And I'm sure you don't know who I am. You just see me as someone that sells clothes. You don't know me. You don't know me. Oh, mommy. Oh, mommy. Go and ask. I have accepted the challenge, like I said. Let Paulo pick a date. I have accepted the challenge, and I'm repeating it. I accepted the challenge. Let Paulo pick the date. Iyabojo is not stepping out alive. I promise you. All the street fights you've done before, all the ring fights, it was mere fight between 2 people. This is a family fight. I will take every revenge that belongs to my family. You think it is funny for Iyabojo to come into my family? You think it is funny for Iyabojo to put her mouth in my marriage? Even if I married a beggar, it's none of Iyabojo's business. And it's none of Paulo's business. Imagine Iyabojo and Paulo. You can't tell me that you did not see video of Fola Sariyu in Paulo's house. That is a woman Iyabojo hired to record my husband's nudity and voice notes. And you think me and Iyabojo's fight is going to be like people that fought yesterday or before yesterday? You must be mad. You must be mad. You don't know me. Go and ask about me. Hello, bere ni film industry. Hello, bere pe ta ni actress kan ṣoṣo tó bá ọmọ ọ̀tá ju ẹ̀ṣẹ̀. Hello, bere pe ta ni actress kan ṣoṣo tó gún ìgò pẹ̀lú àwọn ọmọ ọ̀tá nínú film industry. Go and ask about me. Go to Osu, go and ask about me. The current IG Disu, go and ask me about, go and ask. IG Disu has settled fight for me while I was in university. Go and ask about me. You think I make mouth? Set the date, Paul Okoye. Set the fight date. If Iyabojo step out alive, call me bastard. Do you know how many years? Do you know how many years I spent in doing firewall? Do you know what they call firewall? You did not learn boxing. You want to join firewall? You did not learn fighting skills. You want to learn firework? How did you want to escape from custom officers? Do you know how many times my skills has made me to escape from custom officers? Because I am trying to hide my real identity. Come for me first. You know, that is how Iyabojo look. That is how Iyabojo underestimated me in issue of fracas. Today, it's Iyabojo that is running around begging me not to mention her name. Remember how Iyabojo was telling me to mention her name if they bore me well. Go and ask. The first thing you will learn from smuggling business, go and ask people how many years I spent doing smuggling business. You underestimated me. You could have finished it. I told you, Iyabojo, that Mohbad spirit will finish you. I told you, Iyabojo. I told you, go and ask anybody that smuggling business, what are the things you will learn first? In smuggling business, go and ask anybody. Do you know how many years I did smuggling business? Do you know how many years do you think I'm weak like Iyabojo? Why is Iyabojo can't do business? You think I'm making up like Iyabojo? Go and ask. I think there was a guy that came out recently that said Lizzy Anjorin, Oba one more time, ma beg you, Iyabo, ni lo 2 minutes, ko ma fi ku. Ma koko gbe e sáré. Ìwọ lórí burúkú, ìwọ tó mọ point, ìwọ tó kàn juwo. Ìwọ tó ní dodo mọ́, ìwọ tó lọ́pọlọ, ìwọ tó ṣe surgery Iyabo, ìwọ ń bá mi lẹ́nu kó fẹ́ bá mi jà. Ìwọ òkú turkey, ìwọ lórí burúkú, ìwọ lòṣì. Ìwọ táyé ẹ ti bàjẹ́, ìwọ tí rubber band òbó ẹ ti bàjẹ́. You think boxing is all about throwing punch? Boxing is all about inner strength. Calculation. Bóyá ló mọ̀ pé Mr. Lawal fi ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ jẹun dáadáa. Go and look at Mr. Lawal's face. Mr. Lawal is a certified boxer. Mr. Lawal is a certified boxer. Iyabojo, even if I did not go under any training, my husband training is enough for me. For 2 days. Oku eno ma gbe jade within 2 minutes. Go and ask anybody. Mr. Lawal is a certified boxer. He doesn't talk. Follow Okoye. My husband is not ready to settle with you or join issues with you. He wants to reset you with this. And trust me, he will never disappoint me. And either you're dead or you're alive, me and Iyabojo fight will continue. Because I am coming with 2 coffins. One for you, one for Iyabojo. Now, let me continue. You said ambulance and doctor provided. Like I said, I will also provide 2 coffins. One for you, Paul Okoye, one for Iyabojo. You said organized by Paul O and One Africa Global. Now, another evidence. Paulo Okoye, you said happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. At Iyabojo Fabrics, it do matter, pay me my money. 91K. This your statement shows your anus is no more a virgin. Oh, you know they see Mr. Lawal face. You know they see him lips. Iyabo only last 2 minutes. O ma sáré kiri ni. Ma kọ́kọ́ gbé ya ẹ sáré lórí ring bí kò kú. Ma make sure we're exhausted. Ìwọ tó lè ṣe show 5 hours. Ìwọ tó ní focus. Before you can become a successful boxer, you must have a focus. You must have the inner strength. You must be calculative. You must be well informed. Yeah, my budget. Come and help me put this thing back, please. I'm donating 2 coffins. One for Paulo, one for Iyabojo. Paulo, what do you mean? Paulo, don't you know I've done firework? I don't want to mention the English. Don't you know I've done fire? Do you know what they call firework? For me to have done that successfully, do you know how many of us that enter firework business, smuggling business? And if I can survive, Iyabojo that our life has been rotten with turkey surgery, that idiot, that one that does not have sense, Iyabojo that does not have glory, Iyabojo that produced a movie and failed. Paulo, when you took Sariyu to your house, When Iyabo Ojo claimed and lied to Nigerians that you are a billionaire, we never knew you were living in rented apartment at 1004.